Dog is trying to find a spot to bury her bone. She just sunk down. She might be pissing. She's done pissing. Now she's crawling on top of the ice. She's perked up. Her bone is over here on the left. No, the right. What are you doing? She's getting her bone. Now she's backing up. Don't know why. Getting her bone. She's sniffing. What is she sniffing at? Trying to get her bone. What are you doing? Boy just tried to hit me with a snowball. Now she's going to get her bone. She's got her bone. What is she going to do now? Give me that bone. Now she's still crawling on top of the ice. Where is she going with that bone? Lucky! What are you doing? She's sunk down. Now she's coming over here. Where are you going with that bone? She doesn't know what she wants to do. Well, I don't have enough room on my camera, so she has no clue what she wants. Signing on.